Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this fun little Frankenstein lantern. If you stop by the library, you'll pick up a bag, and in your bag there will be a green piece of paper, 2 pieces of black paper, some googly eyes, 2 bolts, and a strip of glue dots. What you'll need from home is a glue stick, a marker or crayon that's red, and a pair of scissors. So now let me demonstrate how to put this all together. Okay. The first thing you'll need to do is cut the green piece of paper. Make sure to keep it folded, and you'll follow the lines and only cut until you get to that black line. If you go a little bit past the black line, it will be fine. Take your time when you do this. Once you have it all cut out, you can open it up and lay it flat on the table. And you can flip it over so that you no longer see the black marks. Next, take your thick black strip, and this is going to be Frankenstein's hair. You can make his hair however you want. I'm cutting little triangles out of the bottom of it. They can be as big or as small as you'd like. Now, what I like to do is refold the green paper in the opposite direction so that when you put it together, it will fold out. Mom and Dad may have to help you with this a little, but you may be able to do it all by yourself. So now that you have the hair cut out, you're going to take your glue stick and put some glue all along the top of the green paper. And then put the flat side, matching with the flat side of the green paper, to stick on his hair. Just like that. Now, you're going to take the glue dots. Now you're going to take one of the googly eyes, press it onto a glue dot, peel it off the paper, and let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So count in 5. Put your eyeball on. Then take another glue dot, press that on, and put his other eyeball. Now what you'll need to do is we're going to glue our lantern together. Oh, I forgot. You'll need to draw his mouth on. It'll make it a lot easier. You can make a smiley face, or you can make whatever type of face you want. So now, we're going to put glue along one side of the green paper. Now, Mom and Dad definitely will need to help you with this so that you get it glued on well and press it together as best you can. I like to give them a little squeeze. So, there's our Frankenstein so far. Now we need to put his bolts on. Fold the end of the bolt together Put another glue dot on. And then press the bolt on the inside of your lantern. And then do the same with the other bolt. And you can put these anywhere you like. Alright, the last thing we have to do is put on the handle. So you're going to put one glue dot on one side. And another glue dot. And then press your handle onto Frankenstein. And there you go. You have your Frankenstein lantern. Stop in and pick up a craft kit. Hope to see you soon. Happy Halloween!